Hey guys, this is my part 6 to my video, help me save the shelter dog. So let's get started. I don't know how much this will be, but I have this purse that I don't really use. I might sell this one or sell my red one over there. So I don't know. So that one will probably be around $20, like 15 maybe, I don't know. And then I have 3 more Webkinz. Three more Webkinz. I have the Midnight Monster. Here's my kitten Mittens. See, here's Mittens that I didn't get to show you. She's so cute. And look. Ugh. She's got a white belly. Ugh. You can't see it, I'm sorry. Whoa! See, there we go. Now she's so cute. So there's my Midnight Monster. Then I have my charcoal cats. There's the W. Then I have the rainbow armadillo. And then I have this little pet shop Moonlight Fairy. She's really cute. Then I have a Boo from the Disney store. Still got his tag. He's really cute. And then I have this Build-A-Bear plush. Somebody told me it was Marie's mom, or like from the Aristocats. But she does have a sound. She's really cute and pretty. So yeah, that's all the stuff I'm selling, guys. So yeah, bye.